I feel like my industrial degree can be adapted to meet the demands of any career field that I want to go into.
You know, people think of industrial engineering and probably think manufacturing right away, but healthcare or another area that kind of interests me is the financial sector. Those are very open to industrial engineers as well.
So the diversity of the field opens all these doors for you and make it possible for you to choose a career that really works for you.
What drew me to it the most was the concept of being able to help others do their job. So there was like a human relations element to it.
It's more hands-on work, it's more dealing with the processes that go into building and not just designing the product, but I also get to work along with the designers on how they should design it so we can make it.
You get to work with people. You're just not sitting behind a desk and doing design. You actually interact with people, whether you're in manufacturing or you're in healthcare or any other field. You get to go out and manage people, talk to people, interact with people, and that's what makes it very attractive.
I describe industrial engineering as making systems run more efficiently.
We not only design like other engineers do, we also ensure that we design, we install, and we operate these systems.
You have to know a little bit about all the different functional areas of engineering, and that really makes you more successful when you get out of school also, because you're able to see how all of the different disciplines interact.
Courses in our program, they're basically project-based courses, so you get a lot of hands-on. I would say 99% of the students that I work with, they usually have a job offer or more, maybe more than one job offer when they graduate.
I think the size of our campus is just really optimal, and also the size of the engineering department, where you can develop great relationships, people get to know you well, but also there are opportunities to pursue the interests that you want to pursue.
I felt like I could walk into any of my professors' offices at any time and get help on things or just chat with them. I toured a lot of colleges when I was in high school, and I really enjoyed the feel of NDSU. The size was right for me, and it just felt like home.